Hi guys, welcome to Be First to Copy. So today we're going to talk about offline classes, why it's important and why you need it. You might have seen my lots of videos of learning English. In that I said end of the video that you should go to offline classes. I said because it really helps you. I learned language in offline classes. Literally, when I started the first 6 months, I went there. That time, my purpose was not to learning. Okay, I just go there, do the homework. I was not even interested in it. But as did, I become better and better. But the reason why I become better is not because I studied. The reason I become better, the main reason behind it, it's I went every single day. Every single day I went there, I stayed there, and I learned something. Even someday I feel bored, even then I learned something. Because I went there. It is like, for me, it's like a gym. I have all the equipment of gym at my home. But for last year, I left the gym. For 1 year, rarely around 10 or 12 days, I did the exercise. But when I was at gym, every single day I have to go there, even for half an hour, I did the exercise. So you see, for me, if given all that responsibility is given to me that you can choose, decide whenever you want to do, I avoid that. But when there's specific place for it and I go there, I do that. And I believe offline works for me quite well. Because when I go to gym, there I see the lots of people doing the exercises. Even the day when I don't want to do exercise, I sit there and do some lightweight exercises for half an hour. And then I come back. But in home, I could not. The same thing happens with spoken English. There you get an environment like a gym where you see a lot of students are learning. So with that, you also start learning it. And that's why it works. Another thing is that teachers there, they are well informed how to teach student to learn English. Whatever native language you have, they are really good at. They know how to teach students so that they can speak. They will guide you and they always see that how you improve or not. And they will tell you that you are doing something wrong here, you should do this. And because of that, you improve better. But online, yeah, if you have taken the online courses, but still, I believe you can't get this kind of environment that you will get in only offline classes. Apart from that, you will see in offline classes, every day they have spoken like a debate, question answer, and also public speaking, where they taught you how to speak publicly. Sometimes they take you to places like a mall and they force you to speak. Sometimes encourage you for that. So because of that, they know that when to do that. So because of this reason, you speak better. Public speaking, debate, and all the things you might not learn in online classes, but there you might learn. But I'm telling you that those person who could not able to do it in online. If you can't do it online, if you are interested in learning language, any language, you can do it anywhere, offline, online, anywhere you can do that. But for those people who could not do it every single day when they given like online or anyway, so that's for you, I told you that offline works. And there are many people, offline works better than online. So decide yourself what is really good for you. And only then you should choose. Because if the environment is offline, it's not good, even that doesn't work for you. It doesn't really matters. If you are going somewhere place and you like that place, even that doesn't work for you. I will give you example, okay? When I was learning there in spoken classes, I met a couple of students. They come from really far, around like 15 kilometers. They took train every single day. They took around 2 hours from their, railway station. First, they have to come railway station. They take around half an hour, sometimes 1 hour, with that, range of railway station that near to their village. From there, 2 hours in the railway. And railway here is really bad. If you go to local trains, you rarely get in time. As per my experience, I always really hated that railway because like 2 hours of distance, sometimes 3 hours distance, go 5 hours, 6 hours. Something happens, some reason always comes and you can't come in the time. And that same experience, they told me that we sometimes late because of this reason. And you can imagine that 5 to 6 hours every single day they just travel, 2 hours coming, 2 hours going. Because of that, most of students after a couple of months they left because they could not able to do that. And that's why if you are really far from offline classes, even then that won't work for you. So find best place for you that doesn't financially, mentally doesn't hurt you. If that meets that need where you can be free for those things, then the offline classes really works for you. For only those people who can't able to do it every single day. Okay, if you're really interested, if you go there, you might learn really faster. You might learn really faster than any other students. And also remember that one thing, everyone learns in a different way. Okay, and the timing also different. Some learns in 3 months, some 6 months, some 1 year. For me, took me 2 years. Even right now, I'm not really good. Even right now, I make a lot of mistakes in words, pronunciations, but still, I got that. So if you want to learn, you can learn. So just go offline classes if that works for you. If not, then find something else that works for you. So thank you for the watching video. Meet you in the next video. Bye.